Hi friends, myself Anushka Amit Sawan. Welcome to my new YouTube channel Easy Grammar.
Today we are going to learn verb and types of verbs. Verb. Verb is a word which describes an action and a state. Play, run, will, is, are, was, were, has, had, walk are verbs. Now we see the verbs in a sentence. Mother cooks for me. Cooks is a verb. I am going to Shimla. Am and going are verbs. I will call you. Will and call are verbs. The earth moves around the sun. Moves is verb. He broke the glass. Broke is verb. In this sentence we can see various type of verbs. Verbs क्रियापद हे क्रियेबद्दल माहिती देतं. Verbs tells us about action. Here cooks, going, call, moves, broke are the action verbs. We understand the action with the help of the verbs. क्रियापदावरून आपल्याला वाक्यांचा काळ सुद्धा समजतो. We can understand the tense of the sentence. Here first sentence is Mother cooks for me. Cooks is present form of verb. So this sentence is in the present tense. In the second sentence, am going shows us present continuous tense. In the third sentence, will call shows the sentence is in simple future tense. Moves. In the fourth sentence, moves. Moves shows us that this sentence is in the simple present tense. Last sentence, he broke the glass. Broke shows us that this sentence is in the simple past tense. So, verb always help us to understand the tense of the sentence. So verb is always important in the sentence. Verb, it is main part of a sentence. क्रियापद हे वाक्यातील महत्त्वाचा भाग आहे. Verb tells us two things about the subject. First, action performed by the subject. Second, state of being of the subject. In other words, state and situation of the subject. क्रियापद आपल्याला सब्जेक्ट कर्त्याबद्दल दोन गोष्टी सांगतो. एक ॲक्शन म्हणजेच कृती, कर्ता कोणती कृती करतोय हे आपल्याला क्रियापदावरून समजतं. दोन, स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग स्थिती, कर्ता कोणत्या स्थितीत आहे हे आपल्याला क्रियापद सांगत असतं. लेट मी गिव्ह यू सम एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ ॲक्शन वर्ब. Which actions we see in these images? A boy is playing. Play is a action verb and girl is eating. Eat is a action verb. या चित्रात आपल्याला मुलगा प्ले म्हणजे खेळण्याची कृती करताना दिसतोय आणि मुलगी इट म्हणजे खाण्याची कृती करताना दिसतोय. नाउ लेट्स लुक ॲट स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग. Type of verb are also called as a stative verb. They define the state of a subject. This is an image of a boy. We say Rahul is a boy. Is here is a state of verb. It defines us that he is a boy or a girl. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला लक्षात येतंय की तो जो मुलगा आहे राहुल मुलगा आहे हे आपल्याला इज ह्या क्रियापदावरून समजते. इन द सेकंड पिक्चर वी सी द गर्ल. इन दिस पिक्चर वी सी अ गर्ल feels happiness. Feels is a stative word. It is defined the state of a girl. या ठिकाणी फील्स हे क्रियापद आहे. या ठिकाणी फील्स हे क्रियापद आपल्याला ती मुलगी आनंदी आहे हे दाखवते. सो वी मस्ट रिमेंबर द ॲक्शन अँड द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग. Let's look into sentence example. Action verb. A boy reads book regularly. What is action performed by the boy? It is reading. So, read is the action verb. Boy drinks water. What is action performed by the boy? It is drinking. So, drink is the action verb. Butterflies are flying in the sky. What is action performed by the butterflies? It is flying. So flying is the action verb. So read, drink, fly, all are the action verb. Now we see state of verb. They defines the state or situation of a subject. I am a boy. Here, how we define he is a boy or not? Am. Am is the state of verb. Here, the second sentence, she feels happy today. What is the state of a girl? Its feeling is happy. So, feels is a state of verb. He is a police. Here, state of that person, he is a police. So, is used as a state of verb. So, verbs tells about action or state of subject. आपण या ठिकाणी बरीच वाक्य पाहिली. त्या वाक्यामध्ये आपण काही ॲक्शन वर्ब पाहिली, काही स्टेट वर्ब पाहिली. या ठिकाणी रीड, ड्रिंक, फ्लाय हे सर्व वर्ब आहेत ते आपल्याला कृती दाखवत आहेत, ॲक्शन दाखवत आहेत. आणि स्टेट वर्बमध्ये ॲम, फील्स, इज ही जी वर्ब्स आहेत ती आपल्याला त्या कर्त्याची आपल्याला स्थिती, त्या कर्त्याच्या फिलिंग्स आपल्याला या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळत आहे. सो आपण नेहमी ॲक्शन वर्ब आणि स्टेट वर्ब लक्षात ठेवून वर्बचा वाक्यामध्ये विचार केला पाहिजे. वर्ब इज मेनली टू टाईप, मेन वर्ब अँड ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब. मेन वर्ब मुख्य क्रियापद, वर्ड्स दॅट ॲक्च्युअली शोज द ॲक्शन or activity of subject. मुख्य क्रियापद हे कर्त्याची क्रिया दाखवत असते. Main verbs can stand alone. For example, read, eat, drink, run, walk, talk. Now we see the verbs in a sentences with the picture. A girl jumps happily. What is the activity of girl? It is jumping. So, jumps is main verb. A man swims in the sea. What is the action performed by man? It is swimming. So, swims is the main verb. A girl dances. What is the activity of girl? It is dancing. So, here dances is the main verb. What is the action performed by the monkey? A monkey is climbing. So what is the action performed by the monkey? It is climbing. So climbing is the main verb in this sentence. So main verb clear the activity in the sentence. Jumps, swims, dances, climbing shows the action. So these are the main verbs. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb gives more meaning to main verb. Auxiliary verb cannot stand alone. क्रियापद हे वाक्यातील प्रमुख शब्द असतो, पण मुख्य क्रियापदाला मदत करण्याचं कार्य इतर काही क्रियापदं करतात, त्यांनाच आपण ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब सहाय्यकारी क्रियापदं असं म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इज, हॅज, डू, did, will, shall, was. Now we see auxiliary verb in a sentence. She was unhappy. Was is auxiliary verb. I have a pen. Have is auxiliary verb. I can read this poem. Can is auxiliary verb. My dog is missing. Is auxiliary verb. I will pass the examination. Will is the auxiliary. Now we see the types of auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliaries, modal auxiliaries, modals. Now we see the types of auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliaries, modal auxiliaries, modals. Modal auxiliaries, modals, it is used to show ability and capacity. मॉडल ऑक्झिलरीजचा वापर करून आपण आपलं सामर्थ्य व्यक्त करू शकतो. इट इज यूज टू शो फ्युचर टेन्स. साधा भविष्यकाळ तयार करण्यासाठी वापर होतो. इट इज यूज टू एक्सप्रेस नेसेसिटी, ऑब्लिगेशन. या सहाय्यकारी क्रियापदांच्या मदतीने आवश्यकता, निश्चितता किंवा अनुमान व्यक्त करता येते. इट इज यूज टू एक्सप्रेस परमिशन. या मॉडल ऑक्झिलरीजच्या साहाय्याने परवानगी वर्तवणे यासाठी वापर केला जातो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, कॅन, कुड, शाल, शुड, विल, वुड, may, might, must, ought to, need, dare, used to. Now we see the modal auxiliaries in a sentence. First, it cannot be true. Can is modal auxiliaries. Second, he will talk about nothing. Will is modal auxiliary. Third, she has to go. Has is the modal auxiliary. Fourth, she must improve her spelling. Must is modal auxiliary. Fifth, she should be in a library now. Should is the modal auxiliary. Now we see the exercise. Underline the verbs in each sentences. First, she likes friends. Likes is verb. She watches TV. Watches is verb. We heard here very well. Heard is verb. He spilled at the dog. Spilled is verb. He is working in the office. Is and working are verbs. You should keep your promise. Should and keep are verbs. Please inform me. Inform is the verb. 8. Will you come with me? Will and come are verbs. Where does the glass come from? Does and come are verbs. 10. Give me your word of honor. Give is the verb. Thank you.
तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.